Welcome everyone to Scale Model Kit Review. This is another model kit review from Arma Hobby. This is the expert set of the P-51 BC Mustang. It's in 1/72nd scale, kit number 70038. It's a fantastic kit, I'm told. We actually have markings enough for 6 aircraft here, and we'll go ahead and open this up. I haven't even opened it up yet myself. We'll pull out the contents. And wrapped inside here is plastic, instructions, clear parts, and photo etch brass. Let me take these out and I'll be right back. And the clear parts are bagged separately in a Ziploc bag. Very nice touch. The masks and the photo etch brass are here. Here's the instructions. Very thick booklet type instructions with, once again, the decals placed between the pages, which I find very nice, and we'll look at that here in a little bit. And 2 sprue trees with parts on it. Let's go ahead and get right into this and look at these parts. And here's the trees for this Mustang, the P-51 B and C, which entered service in European theater in 1943. Looks good so far. Let's get a closer look. And there you go. I'd love to see Arma Hobby come out with a 1/48 scale of this kit. I can imagine the detail that they could provide for it. Also, I'd like to see the D version come out for this, either in 1/72 and 1/48. But wow, fantastic. Hey, Arma, give us a 1/32 scale Mustang. That would be fantastic too. But anyway, that was the review of this P-51 BC Mustang. 6 different options provided for the decals here, and the detail and subject matter here is exquisite. So Arma Hobby, you did a great job with this kit. This was kit number 70038. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, smash the like button. Happy modeling everybody, and take care.